Hello viewers, we have all seen the motor nameplate attached on the motor side or on top. All motors have a permanent nameplate which lists all important data. Now we will know how to read it and what have in this data or motor catalog. This is a motor nameplate of DWM Copeland which is made in Belgium. This is the example nameplate of a motor and I am marking it 1, 2, 7. This template is 2-pole 18 kilowatt motor. Now let's see what have in the nameplate. Data 1. The motor has 3 phase and is for a main supply with a frequency of 50 Hz. Data 2. The rated output of the motor is 18 kilowatt. This means the motor is able to supply a shaped output of at least 18 kilowatt if connected to the main supply as indicated. The rated output of the asynchronous motor has been written into a standard. This allows the user a free choice of the different motor makes for various applications. The standard series has output level such as displayed in table. Motor output series 0.06 kilowatt to 3 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt to 75 kilowatt. Data number 3 and 4. The stator windings can be connected in a star or delta information. If the main voltage is 40 volt, the windings must be connected in a star formation. The motor current is then 27.5 ampere per phase. If the main voltage is 230 volt, the windings must be connected in a delta formation. The motor current is then 48.7 ampere per phase. At startup, when the current is between 4 and 10 times higher than the rated current, the main supply may be overloaded. This has LED supply. Companies to use regulation order the startup current of large motor to be reduced. This can be achieved by, for example, having the motor start up in a star connection and subsequently switching to a delta connection. With the star connection, power and torque are reduced to 1/3 and the motor cannot start at full load. A motor designed for star connection will be overloaded if there is no switchover to star connection for full load operation. Data number 5. The motor protection rating indicates the degree of protection provided by the motor enclosure against the penetration of liquids and foreign bodies. Designation used are described in International Standard IEC publication 34-5. Protection is indicated by 2-letter IP international protection and 2 digits. These are used to specify the protection level against contact and foreign bodies, first digit, and as liquid, second digit. If required, extra letter can be added. The basic layout of the IP code is as follows. IP23CS, where IP code letter 2 first digit from 0 to 6 contact and foreign bodies protection. 3 second digit from 0 to 8 water protection. C supplementary letter A, B, C, D optional. S complementary letter H, M, S, W. We should know if a digit does not have to be starred, it can be replaced by the letter X. Here is a table of listing of protection of motor under IEC 34-5. You must be read it for no more information. Let's see what says optional supplementary letter. The optional supplementary letter indicates the people are protected against access to hazardous component. Back of hand letter A, finger letter B, tools letter C, wire letter D. The optional complementary letter indicates the operating plant is protected and provides complementary information, especially on high voltage unit letter H. Water test during operation letter M. Water test during standstill letter S. Weather condition letter W. In case of operating plant protected against dust, first digit is 5, dust protection is not completely prevented. However, dust is only allowed to enter in limited quantities and the unit will continue to operate without interfering with safety. Water protection is offered up to digit 6, which means that the requirements for all lower numbers have also been fulfilled. For an example, IP65 says that the motor is contact safe and hold tight against dust and water jet. Data number 6. The rated current IS, which the motor take up. It called apparent current and can be divided into two: an active current IW and a reactive current IB. Cos theta indicates the share of the active current as a percentage of the motor current as a rated operation. The active current is converted into shaft output, while the reactive current indicates the power required to build up the magnetic field in the motor. Data number 7. The rated speed of the motor is speed at rated voltage, rated frequency and rated load. Data number 8. Electric motors are designed for different type of cooling. Normally the cooling method is stored in accordance with International Standard IEC publication 34.6. This table shows the designation of the standard and IC standard of international cooling. IC01 self-ventilated. The inside of the motor is cooled directly by the surrounding air. IC06 external ventilation. Motor for separate cooling air input. IC number 17 externally ventilated. Motor with built-on fan for cooling air input. IC number 37 externally ventilated. Motor for separate cooling air output and separate cooling air input. Some motor catalog contains some of nameplate data. In addition, other data is given as well. Type: output kilowatt, rated operation, speed, efficiency, cos theta, current at 380 volt, IA by I, torque, TA by T, T max by T, torque of inertia, weight, shaft output, speed, cos theta and motor current can be taken from nameplate. Efficiency and torque can be calculated on the basis of the nameplate information. Furthermore, the motor catalog says that the starting current of the 18 kW motor IA is 62 times higher than the rated current IA 29 into 6.2 180 ampere. The starting torque of the motor TA is start to be 1.8 times the rated torque TA equal 1.8 into 49 equal 88 Newton meter. This starting torque requires a starting current of 180 ampere. The maximum torque of the motor, the settling torque, is twice the size of the rated torque. Settling torque TK equal 2 into 49 equal 98 Newton meter. This is the graph of a motor torque and current. First picture is motor torque and the second is current. Finally, the moment of inertia and the weight of the motor are stored on motor nameplate. The moment of inertia is used to calculating the acceleration torque. The weight may be of significance in connection with transportation and installation. Some motor manufacturers do not publish the moment of inertia and use the flywheel effect WR square instead. However, the value can be converted as follows: J equal WR square 4 into G, where G is the acceleration due to gravity. The unit for the freewheel effect WR square is Newton meter square. The unit for the moment of inertia J is kilogram meter square. The torque of the motor can be calculated from the following formulas. P is 18 kW and N is RPM, and the result of the rated torque is 59 Newton meter. Here is the machine with the in plate horizontal design. and this is the code of IEC 34 part 7. This code will given some explanation. Read it. The efficiency of the motor can be determined as the ratio between the power rating and the electrical input power, and we know the efficiency equal to P power divided by √3 pi cos theta, and the efficiency 0.9 or 90%. The motor slip can be calculated since the nameplate gives the rated speed and frequency. These two data items indicate the two-pole motor which has a synchronous speed of 3000 rpm. The slip speed ns is 3000 minus 2910 equal 90 rpm. The slip is normally started as a percentage, s equal ns by n0. Synchronous speed 3000 equal 0.03 or 3%. Thanks for watching this video and stay with Engineering Facts to know more information about practical work of different engineering technologies.